Ever wondered how your favorite plants in the garden multiply and thrive? This marvel of nature is thanks to plant propagation, the process through which plants reproduce. There are two main types, sexual and asexual propagation. Now let's delve into the fascinating journey of plant propagation. First off, we have sexual propagation. This is a process where plants reproduce by producing seeds. It all begins with pollination, where pollen is transferred from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. This pollen then fertilizes an egg within the flower, leading to the formation of a seed. This seed holds the genetic material from both parent plants, ready to grow into a new plant. This is nature's primary method of plant reproduction, but there's another way that's equally fascinating. Next up, asexual propagation. No seeds required. A fascinating aspect of plant reproduction, asexual propagation boasts several methods, each involving the use of a parent plant's parts to produce offspring. One such method is cuttings, where parts of the plant like stems, leaves, or roots are cut and planted to grow into a new plant. Layering is another method, where a stem is bent and buried in soil while still attached to the parent plant, allowing it to develop roots. Finally, there's division, where the plant, typically perennials, is split into several pieces, each capable of growing into a new plant. Asexual propagation allows for exact replicas of the parent plant, making it a popular method among garden enthusiasts. So we've learned that plants have two primary ways to reproduce. First, sexual propagation, where plants create new generations through seeds, a process that ensures genetic diversity. Then there's asexual propagation, a method plants use to reproduce identical offspring from their own parts, like stems or leaves. Both these methods are nature's ingenious ways of ensuring the survival and proliferation of plant life. Remember, whether it's by seed or stem, nature has its way of ensuring the survival and proliferation of plant life. Isn't the world of plants fascinating? Let's dive deeper. Try plant propagation in your own garden. Uncover the mystery of life flourishing from a humble seed or cutting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the world of plants. Happy gardening!